Hey everybody, this is Kristie Childs, and today I want to talk to you about how to double your business and with just 5 minutes a day. I don't know if you realize it or not, but what I'm doing right now on this Facebook fan page is what you could do. You can do it on your laptop, you can do it on your phone, and super duper easy. I actually set myself a timer because there's something about us doing something new that makes us run back into our old familiar ways. Like, oh, I wonder what happened to that guy on YouTube. Why hasn't he posted a video, in 2 months? And let me think. I think I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get a snack. Or, oh my gosh, my coffee cup is empty. Anything. So we want to get ready to get ready to get ready. And all of that is just going to prolong your success. This is my first Facebook Live on this fan page in a long time. I have a Facebook group, and I'm going to share this to that group. If there's a share button when I get through, it's been a while, so I'm just sort of experimenting with this. But everyone that I'm being mentored by have built million-dollar companies. Of course, I can't guarantee anybody's success, but I can guarantee to show you what I'm doing. And in 5 minutes, if you can make a live video on a Facebook fan page about your thing, about your business, whether it be affiliate marketing or any kind of business that you're in, any product you want to sell, any service you want to sell, if you do a Facebook Live, the stats say that your reach is going to be 6 times that of anything else you can do. Plus, you can take $5 a day and boost that particular video for video ads, video views. And then the more Facebook sees that you're getting views, the higher up in the algorithm it goes. So you're getting double your exposure. Now, we're not talking about likes, because you could have 1 million likes and make 0 sales, okay? What we want is sales. We need sales of whatever is our thing. My thing is building a subscriber list with ClickFunnels and showing you how to do that. I mean, you just need 1 landing page and 10 subscribers. That's all you need to get started with. And then you just need your first email. And you want to either give them something or have something for them to buy that's like a low ticket item, because research says that if somebody's going to buy something for $1, $10, $27, they'll buy something more from you. People who are just looking for information, they're never going to buy anything from you, but don't worry, there are millions of people who will. So just think about this scenario. Say you had an info product that was $37, an ebook about, how to get your first 10 subscribers in 5 days, or how to write your first email, what to say without sweating bullets, something like that. I mean, there's so many different things that you can write a quick ebook about. And if you can make 1 sale, potentially you can make 10 or 100, as long as it's not your best friend buying it, and as long as you're not calling her up and saying, buy this book, so it makes it look like I have social proof. But all of us have something that we know a lot about that other people want to know. So if you see somebody selling something similar, make something similar, and then do a 5-minute Facebook Live video. And then boost it for $5. Boost it in audiences that have similar interest. So if you have a brick and mortar business, you could boost your Facebook Live teaching something about your business. For example, we're moving soon again, I hope for the last time in years. But we had a home in Georgia, and we've been renting this lake house in Tennessee, and now we found our beautiful home to move into permanently, and we're really excited. So I'm calling the moving company this morning, and they're giving me all kinds of details. Now, if they wanted to advertise on their Facebook fan page, all they would have to do is do a quick Facebook Live and answer all the questions that I asked about what happens if something gets broken? What happens if you, you know, make an ugly mark on my wall when you are moving the furniture? All that stuff that happens when people move. You know, how much is shrink wrap? How do you charge? You charge per the hour, you charge per the job, do you charge for fuel? All those things could be a Facebook Live, right? And if you're talking about affiliate marketing, you could do a Facebook Live on, you know, like I said before, how to write your first email. And why do I always say that? Because you could have an online business. You could start an online business with one landing page where you ask people for their email. In exchange, you give them a freebie, or you direct them to a low ticket offer like $7, or information about something that they're looking for. You know, information marketing is a billion-dollar industry, and the stats say that it is growing by leaps and bounds. That's why you're starting to see all these courses online about how to build your own course. But you know, if that idea is like too big and it just makes your head hurt, don't worry about building your own course. You can promote other people's courses. That's what I did. I got started with little bitty $7 products, but I also built a huge affiliate marketing business by promoting other people's products with that buyer's list. Because once someone has bought, they're called a buyer. Excuse me, I'm a buyer, you're a buyer. A lot of God's children are buyers, right? We like to buy, but we don't like to be sold to. So what is it that you can tell the world about in a 5-minute Facebook Live and double your business in 5 minutes a day? Now, this has been 6 minutes and 53 seconds. But if I hadn't been so long-winded and started getting on the rabbit, you know, the rabbit about moving, you do it in 5. Now, it's been 7 minutes. I'm going to say adios, and I am going to boost this and see what happens. Okay, so that's how easy it is to start promoting and marketing your affiliate link, your business, whatever it is you want to get out to the world online. Okay, you just go create a free you can just create a free page. Just Google it, create a free page, hit the little video button, go live and talk. And if you don't like it, you can delete it. Easy peasy. Okay. All right, there's a link below. If you're into affiliate marketing, I'd love to have you join us. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye now.